So hit hard. When you see second light, slow down. And cut it hard when you see his second light. Oh, you're gonna hit here. That might be too close. Hold on. Pull up farther. Pull up here again. Yeah, you might be a little close to this guy. Wait, get around his back end. Go straight back for a little bit.
Right straight?
Till you're lined up with this. Good. Now turn pretty hard. Till you see his second light. Headlight. Wait, even more. A little more. Second headlight. Oh, you see it? Okay. Then go straight. Pull back. Oh, turn hard. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Come forward. Straight forward. And then back up a little. Woohoo! Parallel parked. Dun, dun, dun. Go on, want to do it again? Like pull out. You got to back up so you can't basically see Mac's hood. So you feel comfortable, and then turn hard out left.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. You should be okay to pull out.